Heyo! Today, Bay Area hiking hits the road while we explore Mount Theilsen in southern Oregon. Mount Theilsen is an extinct shield volcano in the Oregon High Cascades overlooking Diamond Lake and Mount Bailey. This is a 10-mile out-and-back hike with 3,717 feet of elevation gain. The first 3 to 4 miles have a steady incline with a much steeper climb as you near the top of the peak. This trail also crosses the PCT as you reach the last mile to the top. Eventually, the dirt trail turns into scree and gets steeper. I made it to this ledge and stopped here, about 80 feet before reaching the top. If I had been doing more rock climbing before this trip and brought a smaller pack, I would have felt better about making the final push for the summit. Mental note to myself, do more rock climbing. But in situations like these, I think it's better to keep it safe and save it for another time.
So I think this is it.
The best thing about these out and back hikes, the way down is all downhill. If you're ever in this part of Oregon, probably checking out Crater Lake, which is great by the way, consider checking out Mount Theilsen. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, get outside and take a hike.